feet in the water.
Oh my god.
Wow.
As you can see,
The birds are like wilding out right now.
It's okay, man.
Yeah.
Memories is contained.
Wow.
this is sick. Oh my god, we're in water. Oh my
The moon is like, why is the moon is showing its size?
It's 400 times, like, what is it?
All the birds are like,
Can we still stare at it? I don't know.
you can't see anything in the glass.
I'm calling it sick tomorrow, bro. Fuck it.
I don't think you can see it.
Alright. Phone camera, not doing too bad.
My camera's not doing too
Phone camera didn't do too bad. I'm not going to waste my moment.
Alright.
The solar flares are huge.
Yeah. Hold on, the birds are freaking out.
On the bottom? Wow. Oh, did you? Awesome. What part of Philly? I used to live there.
Williams in the stadium.
Okay, yeah, I used to live off Orange Ave.
With the last sun, you can't see
What is that red dot?
15 years ago.
See that red dot?
I see it. Solar flare?
Look at all this big truck.
I can't. It was so worth it. It was so worth it. I had to drive right back. It was so worth it.
Yeah, this is
A long time.
It's about to be
Yeah.
Well, it's raining.
sorry.
The birds are going to keep that down. The birds are going to keep that down.
That is insane.
This is what I got during talent. I didn't use the filter. I just turned the shutter speed and ISO. What is my phone to possibly?
Now it's still.
That was awesome. It's a sliver still. It's very low.
That was.